Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this case here which is for the Galaxy Ultra as a Galaxy S26 Ultra case with stand and back. So let's see what this one here looks like. Here it comes packaged nicely. And here is the little rubber insert. So this is what it looks like here. It's kind of got that black sleek stuff here. It's very rubbery kind of TPU on that side there, but then a harder plastic on the back. It's got the MagSafe there for your charging, and it's got a little kickstand right there, so you can kind of lay it down that way or this way here, depending on which way you need it to be standing up, so you can watch videos or whatever. Great for like the airplane or something like that, or just having it. So this is good, and it's a pretty thin case. Looks good. It's got the buttons in the correct locations. It even has those two little holes there, which I think you can use for like a lanyard. Got the little plugs for everything else for the charging and everything, and the little one on the top there. So you got your speakers and everything has a hole. Perfect. Thumbs up.